Curfew has been imposed in Indian city Nagpur, wherein Hindu nationalists are threatening to demolish the Mughal Emporer, Aurangzeb. Indian Prime Minister Modi has been seen criticizing Aurangzeb for being against the Hindu. The tomb of Aurangzeb is situated in Khuldabad, 500 kilometers away from Nagpur city. The nationalist Hindu demand to shift the tomb. The 17th century built stomb has been made a conflict by the nationalist Hindus. Several vehicles have been burnt and stones have been thrown in the palace area. Bajrang Dal and Vishwa Hinu Parishad-like groups are provoking conflicts on the ground that Aurangzeb was a tyrant who had prosecuted Hindus. The demands say that the tomb be demolished. This is AI technology era. India claims to be at high rank of IT technology, but present regime has made its political agenda deep conservative. It deems that India is going back in 17th century.